Stoll join us now for the weather forecast. And today was one of those days you could have used a cold glass of lemonade.
That's for sure. Temperatures in the 90s again for the third day in a row. We've had temperatures in the low 90s. It's a hot way to start an Austin summer, I guess. But we do have some changes on the horizon we are watching. As we go through the rest of the evening, we'll see these partly to mostly clear skies all evening long. Temperature-wise, staying warm. 85 still by 8 p.m. By 10 p.m. night, upper 70s. But that's when we could start to see some wet weather rolling into our area as a cold front moves a little bit closer. We have a chance for a few isolated thunderstorms. Right now, that front is stretched just west of our area over the western hill country. No wet weather developing along this front just yet. We have a cap in the atmosphere that kind of suppresses any of that thunderstorm activity, and it's pretty strong today. But as that front moves into a little bit more moist air, we could see a few of those storms start to fire off. Right now, just partly to mostly cloudy skies over the hill country, and that'll continue again through the evening. So let's go hour by hour through our forecast. That front is going to work its way into the Austin area by early tomorrow morning before the sun comes up, and that's when the models are starting to pour a little bit of wet weather scattered across our area. Potential for a line of storms to develop, pretty broken in nature, so not everybody's going to have the chance to see a little bit of that wet weather. And unfortunately, a few of those storms could be on the strong side, but since this front is moving through so late in the overnight hours, that chance for any sort of severe weather is pretty small right now. Any storm that does become severe, main threats are going to be hail and high winds. Now that front's going to clear the Austin area right around sunrise or before sunrise and then move into our eastern counties. So by 7 a.m., the chance for wet weather is pretty much gone at that hour, and then through noon the cloud cover begins to decrease and we're going to see a lot of sunshine through the afternoon. The good news is with the northerly flow behind this front, temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler. Now the northerly flow is also going to bring in some drier air, so with breezy conditions expected to continue through tomorrow afternoon, our threat for fire weather, dangerous fire weather, is going to continue on your Monday. Tuesday starting out again a little bit cooler with nice temperatures through the afternoon and plenty of sunshine. Here's that red flag warning that goes into effect at 2 a.m. tonight and through 8 p.m. tomorrow evening for the metro area, some portions of our hill country counties and our eastern counties. This means that fires that start will have a hard time being controlled. So they ask that you take extra care as you head out tomorrow afternoon and evening. You don't want to accidentally start a fire with a cigarette butt, or if you're barbecuing leftover embers, that sort of thing. Check out our temperatures across the state. Very hot across central Texas, even western Texas as well. But notice Lubbock, 76 degrees already behind that front. That's some of the cooler air that'll slowly work its way into our area overnight tonight. Currently 88 degrees in Burnett, 91 in Georgetown, 89 in Bastrop, and 88 in San Marcos. At Camp Mabry, partly clear and 89 degrees out at ABIA, and our winds breezy this evening. They'll stay that way out of the south-southeast until that front moves through. Then we'll see that northerly flow. Now once this system moves out, we have a ridge of high pressure developing over Texas for the middle of next week. That means it's going to stay dry. Our temperatures will top out in the 80s, a little bit more comfortable than the 90s we've seen the past couple of days. Once that system moves out, we're already tracking our next trough. That'll move in late next week. That'll bring a small chance for rain with another front similar to the one we're going to see tonight, Thursday into Friday morning. So tonight, here's what you can expect temperature-wise. Dropping into the 50s in the hill country, 60s in the metro area and along our eastern counties. For tomorrow, temperatures will top out in the low 80s in the hill country, mid 80s for the rest of us. Tonight in Austin, isolated to scattered thunderstorms, 61 degrees, winds taking on that northerly flow. So expect slightly cooler temperatures tomorrow afternoon, 86 with lots of sunshine through the day. Your 7-day forecast shows Tuesday and Wednesday a little bit cooler through the overnight hours. Nice temperatures through the afternoon, topping out in the mid 80s, warming up just slightly on Thursday ahead of that next front, and then a chance for rain continuing into early Friday morning.